If you want to learn how to build your wealth, accelerate your financial independence, and change your future forever, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video now. Your engagement makes all the difference. Reaching the first $100,000 is one of the most underestimated yet transformative challenges of a lifetime. This seemingly insignificant number is actually an invisible boundary between those who dream and those who build. It's not just about money, it's about a personal metamorphosis, a mental, emotional, and practical process that will change you forever. At the beginning of the journey, the effort feels colossal. You save, you invest, you cut back on your spending, yet your bank balance moves at the speed of a snail. Every month is a struggle between your immediate desires and your future goals. You sometimes wonder if it's really worth it, if you'd be happier simply enjoying your money here and now. Society encourages this mindset. Advertisements, social media, and sometimes your friends all push for immediate consumption, instant gratification. But the truth is, immediate satisfaction is the sworn enemy of financial independence. Every dollar spent today on fleeting pleasure is a dollar that could have worked for you, grown, and multiplied over time. At this stage, your greatest enemy isn't the lack of money, it's temptation, it's impatience, it's the difficulty in seeing beyond the present moment. Building $100,000 in wealth requires going against the current. It means saving when others are spending, investing when others are doubting, persevering when results take time to show. It's not about luck. It's not reserved for the privileged. It's about discipline and strategy. Investing small amounts at the beginning may seem pointless. You place $500, then $1,000, and the returns are laughable compared to your efforts. A 10% gain on $1,000 is just $100, enough to buy a few meals at a restaurant, but not enough to change a life. But this is where the first great lesson lies. The initial accumulation almost entirely depends on your ability to create your own capital. It's not the investment that does all the work at the start, it's you. Every dollar you invest is a victory over your old way of thinking. Every dollar is another brick in the foundation of your freedom. The majority of people quit at this stage because they don't understand that the most spectacular gains come later, once the capital reaches a critical mass. Imagine a small stream flowing down a mountain. At first, it's tiny, insignificant, but as it moves forward, it grows, sweeping everything in its path, becoming a powerful river. Your capital works the same way. Every dollar you add, every reinvested interest, every extra effort grows that financial flow, until one day it becomes so powerful that it's practically unstoppable. This first $100,000 isn't just a sum in a bank account. It's proof that you've overcome temptation, conquered impatience, and built solid habits. It's an internal transformation that will stay with you for the rest of your life. Because once you've proven you can reach this level, it becomes much easier to continue. The magic of compound interest begins to truly work at this threshold. When your portfolio hits $100,000, a simple 10% return generates $10,000 a year, or nearly $833 a month. That's sometimes more than rent or a significant portion of your fixed expenses, and this amount grows year after year without you needing to make massive additional efforts. From there, your relationship with money changes radically. You no longer work just to earn a living. Your money works for you. Every decision you make becomes more strategic. Every expense is evaluated based on its long-term impact. You begin to understand that $100 spent today could become $1,000 in 10 years. And this simple realization is enough to shift your priorities. This process also teaches you the importance of time. It's not by trying to rush everything that you get rich. It's by respecting market cycles, accepting slow growth in the beginning, and persevering despite the urge to give up. Patience becomes your best ally. As your wealth grows, doors open. You're no longer dependent on just one job, one salary. You can take calculated risks, invest in an undervalued property, start your own business, join high-potential projects. Every opportunity that arises is no longer seen as an exaggerated risk, but as a realistic chance to multiply your wealth. The financial security you build also allows you to make bolder life choices. You can leave a toxic job without fear of scarcity. You can take a sabbatical year to travel, write a book, or dedicate yourself to your passion. You regain complete control over your time, energy, and priorities. The path to $100,000 also teaches you humility. You realize that true wealth isn't in the outward signs we flaunt, but in the quiet freedom we cultivate. It's not the fancy car or the luxury watch that matters, but the peace of mind knowing that no matter what happens, you have the resources to cope. All of this starts with small daily decisions, choosing to invest instead of spend, refusing the impulsive purchase that empties your wallet in favor of the investment that fills it, working one more hour today to reduce your financial dependence tomorrow. Every small gesture matters, and each one builds a momentum that propels you far beyond what you thought possible. The beauty of this process is that the further you go, the easier it gets. You create automatic habits. You develop the reflexes of a savvy investor. You become more resistant to unnecessary temptations. You learn to recognize good opportunities and avoid pitfalls. Your financial intelligence sharpens, just like your confidence in yourself. And at some point, without even realizing it, you cross that mythical threshold. Your account hits $100,000. On that day, something changes within you. You are no longer just someone who dreams of financial freedom. You've become someone who has conquered it. From there, everything moves faster. The second $100,000 arrives quicker than the first. Then the third even faster. The $1 million, once an unattainable summit, begins to seem simply like a logical step in your progression. Because you've understood the game. Because you've accepted to play by its real rules. Discipline, patience, perseverance. If you're struggling right now, remember, every difficulty you go through, every sacrifice you make today, is building your victory for tomorrow. Never underestimate the power of small actions repeated day after day. Don't let the slowness of the beginning discourage you. The best is yet to come, and it's arriving faster than you think. If this message resonated with you, if you feel ready to do what it takes to change your future, subscribe now, like this video, leave your comment, and share it with those you care about. Together, we will build a financially free generation capable of choosing its life rather than enduring it.